North Coast Naturals is a Canadian family business, making responsible food-based supplements, as well as healthy smoothie and protein shake mixes. Our products are proudly made by a hard-working group of 120 of us. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing and head office are located in BC. We also have our own distribution center in Ontario, so we can serve customers coast to coast. We source many local Canadian ingredients where we can. Non-GMO protein powders such as yellow pea, whey, and even flax, blueberry and apple powders from BC, Saskatoon berry powder from Saskatoon, and even the vast majority of our packaging and labels are made right here in Canada. North Coast Naturals, we're Canadian worker-made, Canadian family business, helping to grow jobs and doing our part for the Canadian economy.
From our family of 120 dedicated, hardworking Canadians to you, we want to say this in the most Canadian way possible. Thank you.